How to Wall Street Willie, what are the advantages of a credit card? The main advantages of credit cards are rewards, convenience, and the ability to build credit. Most credit cards come with rewards, like cashback or miles, that are very lucrative for customers. In addition, credit cards are a safe and convenient way to pay both in-store and online, as you don't have to carry any cash. Credit cards also help you keep track of your spending. While it may not be ideal, credit cards do offer flexibility by allowing you to pay for an emergency or make a large purchase and pay it off over time. They also offer consumer protection. For instance, if there's a fraudulent transaction or your card is stolen, you won't be charged for the purchases you didn't make. Also, unlike traditional loans, you never have to pay interest if you pay off your balance in full every month. Lastly, credit cards can help improve your credit score. This is especially true if you make timely payments and spend significantly less than your credit limit. What are the disadvantages of a credit card? Credit cards are one of the costliest forms of debt and can charge interest upwards of 25%. The rewards and convenience they offer can be a double-edged sword, making it extremely easy to overspend. And when you have to actually pay off the balance, it is tempting to not pay everything off. This can quickly become a vicious cycle, with you making just the minimum monthly payments and being forced to pay thousands of dollars in interest. Credit cards can also charge various fees, like annual fee, late payment fee, balance transfer fee, or foreign transaction fee. In addition, they can hurt your credit score if you don't make timely payments, carry too high of a balance, apply for new cards too often, or close unused credit cards. Should I use a credit card? If you know you'll be responsible with your credit card by not overspending and paying off your balance in full every month, the ability to build good credit without paying interest and rewards like cashback or points make them a great choice. However, if there's a good chance you'll end up overspending and will carry a balance, you should definitely avoid credit cards. Remember, cashback or miles will mean nothing if you're stuck paying 20+% interest on your credit card balance. Instead, you can pay using a debit card or cash. What are the differences between credit cards and debit cards? That's a great question. Watch the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.